Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview about the new Samsung Galaxy A16, right? That is being released, maybe it's been like a month, right? So of course, the Samsung Galaxy A16 features a modern and sleek design, right? That aligns with the aesthetic of the Galaxy A series. Talking about the appearance, right, and the details here. Now, the build and the dimensions, the material used in it is polycarbonate back with a matte finish for durability and a clean, smudge-resistant look, right? Yeah, I like actually the color. And the frame is plastic frame, okay, that blends seamlessly with the back panel, all right? And the dimensions are 164.6, 77.9, 7.9 millimeters, offering a slim profile. The weight is only, the weight is only 200 grams, balanced and comfortable for handheld use, okay? And the IP rating is IP54, providing resistance against dust and water splash. Speaking of the display, the screen size, right, is 6.7 inches with minimal bezels for an immersive viewing experience. And the notch front design, right, water drip style notch for the selfie camera. And the screen to body ratio approximately 85% thanks to thin bezels, of course. And of course, we have like four color options available. The black, which is classic and sleek, the green, which is subtle and modern, and the light gray, minimalist and clean. And of course, the one that I have right here is the black one. The rear panel, the camera model, a vertically aligned triple camera setup without a raised model, blending into the back panel, as you can see. Yeah, the LED flash positioned alongside the cameras. And the Samsung branding, all right, of course, here subtle branding at the center of the back panel. And moving to the side features available here, guys, as you can see, now we have the right side houses the volume rockers available here, okay, and a power button with an integrated fingerprint sensor for easy access. The left side, we have the SIM tray available here, as you can see, right? The SIM tray with which we can say support for a dual SIM and a micro SD card. The bottom we have three, all right, yeah, this views, okay. The bottom comes with 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB-C port, and speaker grill. And of course, we can say the device is designed to offer a comfortable grip despite its large display, and the slightly curved edges enhance its in-hand feel. We can say the Samsung Galaxy A16's design combines functionality with a modern, premium look, making it suitable for both casual and professional settings. And as I previously mentioned, the size is 6.7 inches, the type Super AMOLED, resolution Full HD 1080 2340 pixels. The refresh rate is 90 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals. Now, moving to the performance, the processor is actually, we can say, MediaTek Helio G99, all right, and the RAM available in 4 GB and 8 GB variants. The storage comes also with like 128 GB or 256 internal storage, expandable via micro SD card. Now, talking of the cameras, as you can see, guys, it comes with three different, we can say three cameras, right? The rear cameras are the main, okay, which is 50 megapixels wide angle lens with f1.8 aperture, an ultra wide, okay, camera, which comes with 5 megabytes lens with f2.2 aperture, and the macro one is 2 megabytes lens with f2.4 aperture. The front camera, of course, available also here, right? Okay, the front camera comes with 13 megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture. The video recording, right? Also, the video recording supports 1080 pixels recording at 30, all right, we say frame per second, all right. Let me show you guys, okay. All right, so let's move to the video here, okay. So of course it comes with, right, we could say 30 frames per second, right? So full HD and HD, both of them are available here. Speaking of the battery, which is maybe one of the most important things, right, with this phone and many other phones actually, and people are concerned with, is we can say the battery capacity is 5000 mAh. Charging supports 25-watt fast charging, providing extended usage with quick recharge we can say times. And of course, now here I have 89, as you can see guys, 89% available. It will last for me for more than 1 day at least. I mean, it's like approximately 2 days. Okay, I'm really like, we can say I really like the charging or we say the battery concerning this I mean type of phone. All right, I really like it. It lasts for like really long time, and I mean, this is one of the most important things concerning these smartphones these days when we talk about the battery and charging. And of course, talking of the software and updates, okay, now I mean, so the operating system is Android 14 with Samsung One UI 6.1, and for the updates, Samsung promises up to 6 major OS upgrades, ensuring long-term software support. All right. So this is, I mean, really cool when we say Samsung promises up to 6 major OS upgrades. And some other additional features for this, we can say, device, which is Samsung Galaxy A16. For security, equipped with Samsung Knox Vault for enhanced data protection. The audio includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, right? And connectivity supports 4G, LTE networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. The pricing and availability, this is one of the most important things, okay? The price starts at approximately 200, we could say, pounds for the 4G RAM and 128 storage variant, and maybe more than like 250 pounds, right, for the other we could say models that come with 8GB RAM and 256. Now for this, for my for my country, I've bought this one for like about $200, which is like, of course, I mean, a really good price for a phone like this one. Now, the last thing that I want to mention about this cool device here is that the Samsung Galaxy A16 offers a compelling package for users seeking a reliable smartphone with a vibrant display, versatile camera setup, and long-term software support, all within a budget-friendly range. Now, give me your opinions about this if you've like used this one before, right, guys? And share with your friends if they are like concerned about Samsung products, okay guys? And please consider subscribing to our channel to see more videos like this one. Hope you liked it. See you next time.
It's a digital age, tech in our pockets, life on a new stage. Screens that glow, they light up the night with AI guiding, everything feels right.